RGB10 is one of the best RK3326 log-chip CPU retro handheld console. Thanks for those OS operating systems such as RCOS, Patosela, and Mulek that let RGB10 able to bring me more stable and fun for many retro games. I really don't like the RGB10 plastic shell case. It let me feel really cheap, especially the start select button design. Someone may like it, but myself, really personally, I don't like this design. Today I will do few upgrades for this RGB10, and I believe with this upgrade, it's able to let RGB10 become one of a premium retro handheld console. Let's move to the installation process. The parts that we need first is the metal cell case, OCA screen, stick the OCA screen to the front cell case. I would suggest you to use like T8000 or T7000 glue. This is clear, you can get clear or black color, it's okay. Why I suggest to use this glue is because whenever or anytime you need to remove the screen from the front cell case, is very easy. You just need to use a hair dryer or any hot gun to heat up and you can remove the screen very easy. Or you can choose to use a double side tip as well. Please do remember, never use any like Yoo-hoo glue or super glue. It will easy to spoil your OCA screen. Just remember, the flex cable point to the analog stick side. You just slide in. You can use a rubber pen. This is not a super glue, so you may need like around 20 to 30 minutes to get the glue to stick and hold the screen properly. We may just leave it like 20 to 30 minutes, then we can continue.
2,000 years later.
Put all the buttons. Just make sure the start select button, the double side tape or this silicone is stick onto it, or either you can directly stick into here, the micro switch side. This is because the start select button have already been changed or revised, okay, to put upward. That's why if you use the original one, it may not fit. Now get ready our logic board and screw. We can fix the board to our cell case. Fix our screen flex cable. Place our PS Vita analog stick. Two screws to hold it. Now insert our analog stick flex cable to the connector. I already pre-solder the iPhone X speaker. Now connect the iPhone X speaker to the port. Stick a double side tape. Connect the connector. Some may ask why I want to change to iPhone X speaker. It won't enlarge the sound, but it does bring a quality sound compared with the original speaker. Put all our buttons to the cell case. We replace the original battery with this Sony cell battery with 3440 mAh capacitor battery. Stick to the back shell. Now you have your premium RGB10 with metal cell case, original PS Vita stick, higher end battery, and a OCA laminated screen. Now you can insert the SD card and enjoy your premium RGB10. That's it. Today's video will end here. Hope you enjoy the installation step for RGB10. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my channel and like the video, share the video. See you on next video.